Today on World Famous Foods, we're going to be doing another idea for snacks for our party. It's Super Bowl time. Let's cook. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to cut our bacon in half this way. Okay, so going to slice our jalapenos. Okay, so we get our bacon, Ritz Crackers, put that there, cream cheese on here. Get our jalapeno. Then we wrap this once with the bacon. Get another piece of bacon. Wrap it like this. And that's it. See that? Okay, so let's do all these. Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle some stinging honey garlic seasoning on top of these. And we're gonna bake them in the oven 10 to 12 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay. All right, folks, so here it is after 20 minutes. Not 10 to 12 like I said before. Here's our finished product, our bacon jalapeno popper. We're gonna enjoy it with this homemade sauce right here. You guys can use ranch or whatever you want. Enjoy.